In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to add cookie consent GDPR in Squarespace. Ensuring your website complies with GDPR regulations is crucial, and one of the key components of this is having a cookie consent banner. This not only helps you stay compliant, but also builds trust with your website visitors. So let's get started on how to set this up in Squarespace. First things first, log into your Squarespace account. If you're not already familiar with the dashboard, you'll find it pretty user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the main navigation panel. You'll see a variety of options here, but for today, we are focusing on the settings that concern cookies and data privacy. Navigate to the Settings tab. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Click on it, and a new menu will appear. From here, look for the option labeled Cookies and Data Privacy. This section is where you'll manage all things related to data compliance, including our primary focus, the cookie consent banner. Now, click on Cookie Banner. This is the feature that will allow you to notify your visitors about the use of cookies on your site. It's an essential part of GDPR compliance as it ensures that users are informed and have a choice regarding their data. Once you're on the Cookie Banner page, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Display Cookie Banner. By default, this might be turned off, which means that no consent banner is currently being shown to your visitors. What you'll want to do here is toggle this switch to on. This simple action activates the cookie banner on your website. When you toggle the switch on, a standard cookie consent message will be displayed to your visitors. While Squarespace provides a default message, it's a good idea to customize it to match your brand's tone and to ensure clarity. Make sure the message clearly explains why you're using cookies and what it means for the user's privacy. Transparency is key. And that's it. You've successfully added a GDPR-compliant cookie consent banner to your Squarespace website. This feature is a simple yet effective way to make sure your site is aligned with data protection regulations. It's a crucial step in managing your site's privacy settings, so be sure to review it periodically. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Regularly check for any updates or changes in GDPR regulations. Laws and compliance requirements can evolve, and staying informed will help you maintain your site's compliance effortlessly. Additionally, consider exploring the other settings in the cookies and data privacy section to better understand how your site handles user data. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel confident in setting up your cookie consent banner. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy building a secure and compliant website with Squarespace.